Welcome. My name is Chef Mark Allen, owner of Chef Mark Allen Sauces and Seasonings, simple solutions for flavorful food. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to fry butternut squash and onions in a frying pan. It's a really simple recipe, and to do this, I've got an herb fried butternut squash, potatoes, and onion recipe. That's one of my favorites. The recipe is so good, it talks about making enough for 6. Well, let's hope you're not the last one at the table, because chances are there won't be enough for you. Fortunately, it's an easy recipe to make, and you can make some more up really quickly for yourself. It's really good with beef, pork, poultry. So let's get started. I have taken butternut squash, and what you want to look for in a butternut squash is the largest top that you can find and the smallest bottom, because this is where the seeds are. The other thing, the way to tell all squash if it's good or not is up here at the top. If this is firm, then this is a good squash, and you look for it to be heavy as well. I've got Yukon Gold potatoes. I like Yukon Gold potatoes because you don't have to skin them. You want to wash these first before you use them. And then I have onions. I've got 1 small onion. I've got a 1.5 teaspoons of a good Cajun seasoning blend, a little oil, and the potatoes and squash have been cubed, and they've both gone into the microwave for about 3 minutes. And the reason I do that is because both potatoes and squash cook from the inside out in a microwave, and when you fry them, they cook from the outside in. And so I want them to be done completely throughout. And that also makes the recipe really quick and easy. So we add our oil to the skillet. I've got the skillet cooking on medium heat. I add the butternut squash to the skillet, the potatoes, the onions. All this is going to cook really quickly. Keep this on medium heat. Sometimes you may have to add just another touch of oil to it. And all you really want to do is just get it nice and brown and crisp. That's what will take with just a few minutes. Meantime, take your seasonings. I'll take the pepper, and I'm not going to add the salt yet because I never add salt to the very end of the cooking process because it'll help to dry out the foods, and that's not what I'm looking for. Take the Cajun seasoning. I've got 1.5 teaspoons of that in here. We're almost done. Oh, it's so aromatic. And squash is so good for you. Take it off of your table. It's not just a table decoration. Put it on the stove, cook it, feed it to your family. They'll love it. At the end, oh, that's just almost perfect. Nice and brown. Touch of salt, add to it. Quick stir. This is a lovely dish to go with beef, pork, chicken. It's great in the mornings with eggs and ham. It's just got a tremendous amount of versatility to it. So you want to make sure when you make this dish that you've got your windows closed. Otherwise, you're going to have neighbors over to eat that you weren't expecting. I'm Chef Mark Allen, the well-seasoned chef. Thank you for watching.